Hey everyone, I was thinking about trying some international cuisines for dinner tonight. What do you guys think?
I'm always up for trying new foods. What cuisines were you thinking about?
I love Chinese cuisine. The combination of savory sauces and perfectly cooked meats is always a winner for me.
Chinese food is great, but I'm more of a fan of French cuisine. The attention to detail and presentation of their dishes is just fantastic.
French food is definitely elegant, but I have a soft spot for Italian cuisine. The simplicity of the dishes and the fresh ingredients they use is what makes it so special.
Italian food is amazing, but I also love Thai cuisine. The combination of spices and herbs in their dishes is just incredible. Thai food is definitely delicious, but I can't forget about Mexican cuisine. The bold flavors and use of spices in their dishes is what sets it apart from other cuisines.
Mexican food is great, but I also love Greek cuisine. The fresh ingredients and use of herbs and spices in dishes like gyros and moussaka is just fantastic.
It's great that we can all enjoy different cuisines from around the world, isn't it? What's your favorite dish from each cuisine?
My favorite dish from Italian cuisine is definitely lasagna. The combination of layers of pasta, cheese, and meat sauce is just amazing.
My favorite dish from Chinese cuisine has to be Kung Pao chicken. The combination of spicy and savory flavors is just perfect.
My favorite dish from French cuisine is coq au vin. The tender chicken in a rich red wine sauce is just heavenly.
And my favorite dish from Thai cuisine is green curry. The combination of spices and herbs in the sauce is just fantastic.
It's great that we can all appreciate different cuisines from around the world. I think it's time we make plans for dinner tonight and try one of these cuisines. What do you say?
I'm in. Let's choose one of these cuisines and make a reservation.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.